Tejte, a delicious Mexican beverages recipe. This recipe serves 6 to 8 servings. Preparation takes about 45 minutes. And cooking takes around 1 hour. Here is what you'll need. 1 kilogram white corn, 2 tablespoons slaked lime, 3 liters water, 100 grams fermented cacao beans, 3 to 4 pieces meme seeds, a quarter cup rojita de cacao, 4 to 5 liters cold filtered water, 1 cup piloncillo syrup, 2 cups ice cubes. Step 1. Prepare the nikshatmal. In a large pot, combine the corn, slaked lime, and 3 liters of water. Bring to a boil, then simmer for about 30 to 45 minutes until the kernels are tender but not falling apart. Remove from heat and let soak overnight. Step 2. The next morning, rinse the corn thoroughly under cold water, rubbing the kernels between your hands to remove the outer skins, pericarp, until the water runs clear. Drain well. Step 3. Toast the cacao beans in a dry comal or heavy skillet over medium heat. Stir constantly for 5 to 7 minutes until they become fragrant and the skins begin to crack. Peel the beans and discard the husks. Step 4. Toast the meme seeds, pixel, on the comal until they are dark and aromatic. This releases the essential oils that contribute to the drink's creamy texture. Step 5. Lightly toast the rojita de cacao flowers for only 30 to 60 seconds. They are very delicate and can burn easily, which would turn the drink bitter. Step 6. Grind the toasted cacao, pixel, and rojita de cacao flowers together. Traditionally, this is done on a metate, but a high-powered spice grinder or food processor can work until a fine, oily paste forms. Step 7. Grind the rinsed corn, nikshatmal, separately until you have a smooth, slightly moist dough, masa. If using a food processor, add a tiny splash of water if needed to keep it moving. Step 8. Thoroughly mix the cacao spice paste into the corn masa. Knead them together by hand until the color is uniform, a beautiful light cocoa brown. Step 9. Place the combined paste into a large, deep clay basin, traditionally an apaxil. Step 10. This is the most critical step. Slowly begin adding the cold filtered water. Use one hand to vigorously beat the paste as you pour the water from a height of about 12 inches. Step 11. Continue beating and splashing the water for 10 to 15 minutes. The friction and aeration will cause the fats from the cacao and pixel to rise to the surface, forming a thick, white, cake-like foam, the floor. Step 12. Once a thick layer of foam has covered the entire surface, the base is ready. Do not stir the foam back into the liquid. Step 13. Stir the piloncillo syrup into the liquid underneath the foam gently, or serve it on the side so guests can sweeten their own portion. Step 14. To serve, use a jikra, dried gourd ball. Dip the ball to get plenty of the cold liquid and top it with a generous dollop of the thick foam. And that's it. For the full recipe with exact measurements, visit dishwiz.info.